Hi.
Hello. Can you see me?
Yes,
Can you
I
hear me?
have new word. Look,
Paper.
Really? You
look.
printed? You have your new paper. So you
Yes,
printed it?
Yes. Mom printed for me.
mommy printed for me.
Your mom printed it for you, and what did you say? Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Did you say thank you to your mom?
Yes,
Really? Can you say
yes,
it now?
yes,
Say
Can
it
you
now
say it
to
now?
your mom.
yes.
Say thank
现在
you,
说吗
mom. Thank you, mom, for
Thank you,
printing.
mom.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, that's great.
This
Thank
is
you.
my pencil.
Oh, that's a new pencil? Is it a new pencil?
No.
No?
This or no?
Yes,
Yes.
you have.
This word is grammar. This word is review.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. You are very good now,
Are you
Jerry.
ready? All together. Unit 1, lesson 5. Grammar.
Jerry,
Review.
Jerry, you are the teacher, okay? Because he said, "Are you ready?"
Yes.
You are the
Okay.
teacher.
You ask me again. Ask me again. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, teacher Jerry. Teacher Jerry,
I'm
I'm
not
ready.
teacher.
Oh, you are a
I'm not.
teacher. Oh, you just said.
I'm not.
Okay. All right, so let's start. Teacher Jerry.
I'm not. I'm
Okay.
not teacher.
I'm a student.
I'm a person.
Student.
A student.
Okay. Very good, Jerry. Okay, so will be having a grammar review.
The Unit 1, Lesson 5. Grammar. Review.
Okay, wow. Very good. Okay, let's read
Read
and
and
then.
role play.
Yes, this is role play. So are you ready to have a role play with me?
Yes.
Okay, so you are this
This
girl.
不一样。
this word is read and role play.
Yes, read
This
and role play.
new paper is look and read.
Look and read on your paper. It's different.
Yes.
Look.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes.
maybe that's a PDF file. That's a PDF file. Okay.
Okay. 好了。
Okay, let's look and read and have a role play, okay? So you are
Okay.
number one, and then I am the number two girl. I am Yoko, okay? I am
What?
Yoko.
What's your name?
My name is Yoko. Okay, now I am number one girl. You are the number two girl. What's your name?
My name is Yuko.
Very good. Okay, so I am this girl. You are the boy, okay?
Okay.
What's his name?
His name is Jamie.
Very good. What's her name?
Her name's Jamie.
Very good. Good job, Jerry. Yay. Now, can you read this?
What? What's the What is?
Okay, can you read this?
What's the What is?
Okay, so this is
This
what's.
is the you.
Really? What's the you?
Really? This is the you.
Okay. What's do you, mommy?
This is
等于
等于
Okay, okay.
equal.
Okay, Jerry. What is equal to what
Equal.
is? Equal. This is equal sign.
equal.
This
Equal.
is the
What
equal sign.
is
Equal.
equal? What is
Yes, equal meaning they have the same meaning.
equal?
They are the
Equal.
same, okay? Equal is they
No,
are the
equal.
same.
Equal. OK.
我还没有听见。
哦 equal.
Equal.
Equal. So what is equal to what
Yeah.
is?
你坐好，坐好。
Okay, can you say, Jerry, what is
Now
it?
this girl and a boy.
Huh? What?
I am this girl. My people.
你说 now I'm the girl, you are the boy.
Oh, let's
No,
switch
and
roles.
I am the girl and I am the boy.
Oh,
You are the
okay.
boy.
You are the girl. I am the boy. Okay, go. Go.
你说
What's his name?
His name is Jamie.
What's her name?
Her name is Jamie. Wow. Jerry, I am so proud of you, Jerry. You already know the role
Now
play.
I am this girl. You are this girl.
Okay. So, who am I? The first girl? Okay.
who's the teacher? Teacher the first girl or you
Am
are
I
the first girl?
Teacher.
The
The first girl.
you are
Okay, you are the second girl. Okay.
you are Yuko.
What's your name?
My name is Yoko.
Wow, good job, Jerry. Amazing.
What
Equal.
what equal what is?
Yes,
这个
that's right. Very good. So, Jerry,
What?
listen.
Is read and choose.
Okay.
This is read and choose.
It's different. Oh,
This
yes, listen first. Listen, okay? Listen and click.
Her name is Jamie.
her
Which
name
one?
is Jamie.